Hello, Matadors, and welcome to the latest edition of the Corr Report. Today, based on your suggestions, I'm going to chat a little bit about the Common Hour. As I've requested before, if you want me to address a particular topic, let me know, and I'm happy to do so. And as a result, 3 or 4 folks said, talk about the Common Hour. What is it? Why are we doing it? How is it going to work? So let me run through that. The Common Hour is just that, an hour, or in this case, a number of hours in which everyone in the institution is available to engage in our shared governance system. Now, this is a particular challenge for our full-time faculty who have varying teaching schedules. So what we wanted to do is carve out some time when all of our full-time faculty would be available to engage in shared governance activities, committee work, attend meetings, town halls, engage in the governance of this institution. Now, as you might imagine, this is quite a challenge. In fact, our Faculty Senate has been working on a project similar to this for a number of years, and we're never able to arrive at an agreed upon period of time in which all our full-time faculty would be available. So, in the spirit of data-driven decision-making, we did just that. We let the data drive the decision. We took a look at when classes were scheduled and who was teaching them, and we found that the most advantageous time is in the late afternoon for our faculty to be available. Now, this is not to say, and I readily admit, this is not to say that all faculty would be available at this time. So it's going to require some adjustment. So we've arrived at late afternoon, 3 or 3:15 for an hour and a half, twice a week, either Monday or Wednesday, Tuesday or Thursday. I suspect it's going to end up being Monday or Wednesday based on the number of classes offered during those time periods. Now, it's important to me that students not be disadvantaged by the establishment of this Common Hour, which means classes that are scheduled at the time will still be held. The challenge will fall to the division chairs to find qualified adjunct to staff those classes. The last thing we want to do is reduce access to the needed classes for our students. Now, what are the advantages of the Common Hour? Well, it's obvious, I hope. An opportunity for everyone in this institution to be available to engage in shared governance activities, which could be our shared governance council, committees, task forces. We need all voices to be heard as we implement our ambitious strategic plan. That's what the Common Hour hopes to achieve. This will extend the work week for our full-time faculty from 30 hours to 33 hours, but as I've shared in an earlier Corr report, that still puts us at the second lowest number of hours per week of faculty across the state of Arizona. I'm excited by this prospect of all of us being able to gather. Now, will there be meetings twice a week, every day? Of course not, which means greater accessibility to our faculty, for our students to our faculty. That's a huge benefit. Also an opportunity to plan as staff, work on assessment pieces, interact with others across campus. I'm excited about the prospect. Stay tuned as we roll out specific details for a fall 2020 implementation of the Common Hour. And today, folks, it really is a great day to be a Matador. Thank you.